Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to prep this stamped concrete pool deck here. It's pretty soiled, doesn't really have much. I don't think it's got any sealer on it. Definitely doesn't. So we're going to give it a good cleaning and seal it up. Pretty simple one here. A little hand work around the slide. No coping to deal with. Little hand work around this diving board. Make sure we don't get sealer up on there. Really dirty here. This will be a little bit of a pain down here, but we'll seal it up the best that we can. At least anything you see you want to seal up. Looks like we got brick pavers here. So we'll start this thing up and see what we can do. Looks like we got some poop there. I'll just blast that away. But yeah, let's start this thing up and see what we can do.